Have you ever wondered what creates the perfect sour taste and crispness of green apples? Every year, millions of tons of green apples are harvested around the world, becoming an important ingredient in many dishes and drinks. But how does the journey from apple orchard to dinner table take place? What technologies help farmers cultivate and preserve the freshest apples? Let's explore this entire process in the video below. Green apples thrive in temperate climates with cold winters and warm summers. Before planting, farmers carefully prepare the soil, ensuring it is nutrient-rich, with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. As a result, trees develop strong roots, absorb water and nutrients efficiently, and achieve optimal growth and yield. This process includes plowing to loosen the soil, adding organic matter, and supplementing essential minerals. In early spring, when temperatures begin to warm, farmers plant apple trees in large fields. It usually takes 3 to 5 years for the tree to produce its first fruit, and about 7 years to reach maximum yield. Today, thanks to modern GPS systems that support mechanization, the planting process is more accurate and efficient. Automatic machines ensure reasonable spacing and optimal planting depth, helping plants grow evenly and healthily, while significantly reducing labor and optimizing the use of land and water resources. To help young trees stand firm against strong winds and grow straight, farmers install sturdy support stakes right from the early stages. These stakes help protect young trees, keep their trunks from bending or breaking, and create stable conditions in the early years of growth, helping the trees soon adapt well to the surrounding natural environment and grow healthier. Nutrition plays an important role in the growth of green apple trees. Farmers apply measures such as fertilizing, spraying, and watering properly to help plants grow well. Proper fertilization helps roots grow strongly, enhances the ability to absorb nutrients, and supports the flowering and fruiting process. In early spring and late fall, farmers use organic fertilizers to maintain a stable source of nutrients for plants throughout the growth cycle. Spraying plant protection chemicals is a necessary measure to protect plants from harmful pests and fungi. Farmers often use biological drugs or environmentally friendly pesticides to limit pest attacks. During the growing season, apple trees need to be inspected regularly to detect early signs of disease and promptly treat them, ensuring healthy trees and high yields. Watering is essential for maintaining tree moisture. The drip irrigation system provides consistent water distribution, ensuring efficient absorption without waste. During the dry season, each tree needs 10 to 15 gallons of water per week, depending on weather and soil type. Watering in the early morning or late afternoon reduces evaporation, maintains stable moisture, and supports healthy tree growth. In spring, as the weather warms, green apple trees begin to bloom. A stable temperature of 60 to 70 DGF provides ideal conditions for flowering. Pollination is primarily carried out by insects, especially bees. To ensure a high fruit set rate, farmers may introduce beehives into the orchard. The flowering stage lasts from 7 to 10 days, after which successfully pollinated flowers develop into young apples. Harvesting is a crucial stage that directly affects the quality and commercial value of green apples. In the United States, the harvest season typically occurs in the fall, from September to November. Apples are generally hand-picked to minimize damage and preserve fruit quality. Workers use a gentle twisting technique to detach the fruit from the stem without harming branches or surrounding apples. A skilled worker can harvest 1 to 2 bins of apples per day, each containing approximately 800 to 1,000 pounds of fruit, depending on the variety and size. In large apple orchards, or when rapid harvesting is required, apple harvesting machinery can be used to increase efficiency. This type of machine can process 3 to 5 crates of apples per hour, depending on the type of equipment, terrain, and orchard layout. However, although it reduces labor, using machines can still increase the risk of fruit damage, especially for high-end apple varieties. Once harvested, green apples are transported to large-scale sorting centers where they are stored in large compartments with temperatures ranging from 0.5 to 3 DEGC, an oxygen-deficient environment, and 90–95% humidity to ensure freshness. The automatic elevator system brings apples to the smart water conveyor, where they are washed with a modern automatic system, completely removing impurity. The apples are then air-dried to prepare them for quality inspection. Each apple passes through a smart scanning system using cameras and 3D processing technology to assess color, signs of damage, and size. Fruits that do not meet standards will be immediately discarded. The highest quality fruits will be automatically sorted based on size and weight. Smart conveyor belt with separate compartments helps apples fall into the correct position, ensuring accurate arrangement. After sorting, the apples return to the water conveyor for another cleaning before reaching the packaging area. The automated system will label each apple as it passes, then continue moving into the final stage. Qualified apples are put into prepared cartons and accurately weighed to ensure the correct weight. Various types of packaging, from traditional carton boxes to environmentally friendly packaging, help meet market needs. Once completed, these apple boxes are shipped to stores, supermarkets, and homes around the world. Green apples, with their crunch and delicious flavor, make them ideal ingredients for many dishes, from apple pie to salads. Thanks to the combination of cool, sour taste and refreshing crunch, green apples are always a favorite choice of many people in daily meals. And that's the end of today's video. The journey of green apples beautifully reflects the dedication and hard work of farmers in bringing delicious and nutritious apples to consumers worldwide. How do you usually enjoy green apples? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's explore sustainable farming methods together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more valuable and insightful content about agriculture. Welcome to our channel. Today we will be exploring the nutmeg tree, a special spice originating from tropical regions. Not only renowned for its unique flavor, nutmeg also offers numerous health benefits and is one of the most valuable products in the world. Join us as we dive into the process of growing, caring for, and harvesting this precious tree. Nutmeg trees can be grown either from seeds or through grafting. To start growing from seeds, farmers carefully select healthy, high-quality seeds from fully ripe fruits. These seeds are then cleaned and planted in prepared nurseries, where they typically germinate within 4 to 6 weeks. During this germination period, the nursery must ensure that the temperature and humidity levels are kept optimal to provide the best conditions for the seedlings to thrive. Once the seedlings have successfully sprouted and grown to a height of around 30 to 40 cm, they are carefully transplanted to fields or orchards to continue their growth. The grafting method is commonly applied to enhance the growth and productivity of nutmeg trees. In this process, a branch from a healthy nutmeg tree is grafted onto the rootstock of another tree that has already been planted. Grafting helps the tree improve its resistance to pests and diseases, resulting in better quality fruit. Grafted trees often begin bearing fruit earlier compared to those grown from seeds. After planting, nutmeg trees require meticulous care to grow well and produce high-quality fruit. Nutmeg trees need the right amount of water to thrive, but overwatering can damage the fruit and create conditions favorable for mold growth. Therefore, farmers must check the trees daily to adjust the water levels accordingly, ensuring that the fruit remains free from mold and undamaged. Caring for nutmeg trees also requires patience, as the trees take several years to mature and bear their first fruit. However, once fully grown, they can produce fruit for many years. Each season, farmers regularly check the trees to determine the best harvest time. Nutmeg fruits are only ready for harvest when the outer shell naturally splits open. Harvesting too early affects seed quality, while harvesting too late can result in moldy fruits, reducing their value. The process of harvesting nutmeg seeds requires skill, patience, and precision to ensure the highest quality. When the nutmeg fruit ripens, its shell splits open, revealing two prized parts: the nutmeg seed and mace. Mace, the red oil surrounding the seed, is considered a highly valuable spice, often more expensive than nutmeg seeds themselves. Therefore, harvesting requires great care to avoid damaging or breaking this delicate oil, as any damage significantly reduces its value and quality. Harvesters often use long aluminum or bamboo poles to pluck fruits from tall trees, which can lead to neck and shoulder pain from continuously looking up and using the poles for extended periods. Fruits that have fallen to the ground are usually easier to split as mold softens their shells, though these fruits are of lower value than those picked directly from the tree without damage. After harvesting, the nutmeg seeds, along with their surrounding mace, must be cleaned thoroughly. Washing not only removes dirt and insects, but also separates the mace from the seed. Initially, women carefully peel away the outer yellow skin of the fruit. This cleaned peel can be sold, with fresh peel used for jams or jellies, and dried peel ground with nutmeg powder to create a more economical product. The best fruits are soaked in water for at least 15 minutes. After this time, the mace contracts and becomes easier to separate from the seed. The process of peeling off the mace requires precision, as a simple twist of the hand can remove it without damaging the inner seed. This step is crucial, demanding high skill to keep the nutmeg seed intact. Once the mace and nutmeg seeds are separated, both spices need to be sun-dried. This process requires careful attention, as excessive heat can crack the nutmeg seeds, reducing their value. In Polichi, farmers prefer to dry the seeds under gentle sunlight in the shade to preserve their flavor and structure. Some farmers use ovens to speed up the drying process, but this method can reduce the spice's quality. In conclusion, the nutmeg tree is not only a valuable spice, but also an inspiration for countless unique products. The meticulous process of cultivating, harvesting, and processing highlights both craftsmanship and the cultural and economic significance of this tree. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the nutmeg tree. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more fascinating content on agriculture. Thank you for watching.